Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best soy milk makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kylinxsw Mini Soybean Milk Machine. Using this particular machine, it would be possible for you to prepare the soy milk, and it is designed to be portable, so carrying it would be easier for you. When you are getting the soy milk made from such products, you know it is natural as you are the one who is following a certain recipe, while in the market you have to check the ingredients before buying a certain item. If you plan on going on a trip and are conscious of your diet, you can take it along as it would help you in preparing the soy milk. The best thing you might find is the automatic cleaning, as you need not go through the hassle of cleaning. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kylinxsw Multifunction Soy Milk Machine. Using this product, you can prepare the soy milk. You can enjoy the benefit of silent low decibel pulping when you are using this particular machine for the preparation of soy milk. You might be the kind of person who wants to get their homemade soy milk, and thus, you might take a look at this product for more information on what it has for you. It is designed to be durable, corrosion-resistant, and pollution-free. It is designed in such a way that carrying it would be easy for you. Also, it has a minimalist design and it would not occupy space. At number 3, we have the Soyapower G4 Soy Milk Maker, Almond Milk Maker. With stainless steel on the inside, using this item you can prepare soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, and so much more. It appears as if getting such technology-based products can open so many options of feeding yourself or your family. Your family members would be happy to know that you can prepare a variety of items. Using raw beans, grains, and nuts, it would be easy for you to prepare the soy milk. Cleaning this product would be easier as it has a filter-free design. If you are ever confused about getting an idea about the performance of a certain product, it would be best to check the customer reviews for more information. At number 2, we have the SoyaJoy G4 Soy Milk Maker and Soup Maker. This particular soy milk and soup maker consists of the stainless steel inside. It consists of a boil-over sensor, which is an interesting feature since it can detect if the product inside is getting closer to the boiling point and can cause some mess. With the help of the water level marks, you don't need to measure the water. Using the 5 functions, you can get the texture you like. You should know the recipes and it would be fun to use it. Thanks to the power of technological advancement, you are able to enjoy such products in your kitchen, as these are designed to make life easier for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Simple Living Products 1.6L Deluxe Portable Soup Maker, Soy Milk Maker. This particular product is not just a soup maker or a soy milk maker, but is a blender and a juicer as well. It is portable, so you can carry it along with ease. All you need is 20 minutes of your life to prepare soup, and when using this product, you need not use the additional appliances. It is designed with such capacity that if you plan on preparing the appetizers, you can do so for 4 people. However, if you plan on preparing a meal, it would be suitable for 2 people. It would be easy to clean, plus it comes with a recipe book, so you can choose the recipe you like. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.